So I'm just recording that from my side. And then now you can share the screen and then we can see what you have and what you would like to have and see what we can do during this weekend.
Okay.
Okay.
So here's my view of the page.
Uh-huh.
And should I just start at the top?
Yeah. What I thought is that it might be a good idea the picture that you use for Facebook that had the whole information about the retreat and so on.
Mm-hmm.
To just put it on top of the page
Instead of this one.
instead of of this and the information that you have there.
Okay.
So everything that is already in that picture, it could be put there. How big is that picture?
I don't know. I'll have to upload it.
Yeah, well, yeah,
See.
we can check that.
I just made some new ones, so I think I'm gonna go with that one.
Okay. Okay.
It's not, the visibility isn't very good, but that's okay.
No, it can be done better. So if you have the picture, then the original picture, I mean, that probably will have a better quality.
You mean the original picture of me?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So
yes.
So we could put the picture there, and then all the other things, add them on top, and do the different things. So what are you using to do this?
To do.
Yeah. So you're just using the WordPress editor?
Yeah, I'm just in the back end of WordPress, and I made a new page.
Okay. Yeah. Because yeah, this is not good. This is
not good. Why
no.
isn't it good?
Yeah. I thought that you don't have Elementor installed.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay.
It's just new to me.
Yeah. Can you scroll down a little bit so I can see? Yeah. So no, not in the page. It's in just the menus. So you don't have element. Yeah. Go to plugins.
Go to where?
Plugins.
Plugins.
Under appearance. Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on. Let me just.
Yeah, you can save it.
Save that.
Okay. Yeah, you can just click there and add the campaign. Okay, you don't have Elementor. what we are going to do is some magic and install Elementor. Okay, just
okay.
go to the top to add plugins.
Add new.
Yeah, exactly.
And then shall I search for one?
Yeah, it is Elementor. ELEMENTOR. Oh, yeah, exactly. And yeah, the first one on the left.
This one?
Yeah, install now. And that is going to make your life so much easier. You're not gonna believe it.
Oh my God. So then click activate.
Yes.
Wow. I have it on my list to meet with my friends to get some training.
Okay.
You'll be so impressed that I know something else.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. So yes, we are welcome. And then you can go back to your page that you were editing. Okay, and then now you can edit with Elementor. Yeah, but wait for a second. Before doing that, we are going to go to the right where it says page attributes. Okay, perfect, you're there. And then we're going to, open that back again. And we're going to change the default template. And we're going to choose Elementor Canvas.
Yeah. So what's the difference between the canvas and the full width?
Yeah. So you can have in your page, in your blog, you can have a header and a footer.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So if you use Elementor Canvas, then we start from scratch for an empty canvas. If you choose the full width, then you can work with Elementor, but it's going to put on top the header and on the bottom the footer. So I like to start from scratch. So Elementor Canvas is good. So now you need to update in the green button. And now you can go ahead and edit with Elementor.